Welcome, little explorers. Get ready for fun and learning as we embark on exciting adventures. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The correct answer is lion. What is the fastest land animal? The correct answer is cheetah. Which animal is known for its ability to change color? The correct answer is chameleon. Which animal is the largest land animal? The correct answer is elephant. Which wild cat is native to the Americas? The correct answer is jaguar. Which animal sleeps standing up? The correct answer is zebra. What is the tallest animal on Earth? The correct answer is giraffe. Which animal is known for having a very long neck? The correct answer is giraffe. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? The correct answer is camel. Which bird is known for its speed and inability to fly? The correct answer is ostrich. Which animal is famous for its black and white stripes? The correct answer is zebra. Which wild animal is known for its loud howl at night? The correct answer is wolf. What type of bear lives in the Arctic? The correct answer is polar bear. Which animal has the strongest bite force? The correct answer is crocodile. Which animal can run the longest distance without getting tired? The correct answer is wolf.